places.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to McKenzie Lake, a scenic neighborhood located in the southeast part of Calgary, Alberta. This community was established in the late 1980s and is named after the beautiful McKenzie Lake, a centerpiece of the area that offers residents stunning views and a variety of recreational activities, including fishing, boating, and picnicking. McKenzie Lake is known for its family-friendly atmosphere with numerous parks, playgrounds, and walking trails that encourage an active lifestyle and a strong sense of community. Whether you're enjoying the lake or exploring the local parks, McKenzie Lake offers a welcoming and picturesque environment for its residents. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!